You search for how to buy shares of Feng Technology Innovation County Limited. Feng Technology Innovation County Limited is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FOFO, and this video is an educational guide, not financial advice. You will need a brokerage account to buy FOFO, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FOFO to find the listing. Then check the results to locate the correct Feng Technology Innovation County Limited stock on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing matches Feng Technology Innovation County Limited and displays the FOFO ticker. Tap or click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After confirmation, the new position will appear in your portfolio view. For the example platform link, check the description below.